You cannot open social media, turn on the news, look at any type of mixed media these days without hearing AI this and AI that. And sometimes it's a little overwhelming.
Susan Frew, ladies and gentlemen, she nailed it with that. And here's the truth. AI isn't just hype. For small businesses, it's the biggest shift since the internet. And the real question is, how do you get started with AI in your business? Now, most owners think AI is only for big tech companies or massive brands, but that's simply not true. In our webinar with business coach and AI strategist Susan Frew, she shared how small businesses can use AI right now to save time, cut costs, and grow faster. And these aren't theories. They are tools that she used in her own business. But before we get into all of these tools, here is a quick primer because the lingo alone can be a little confusing. LLMs, or large language models, are the engines behind tools like Copilot and Gemini. They take in massive amounts of data and give you human-like responses. GPT is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's the tech behind ChatGPT, and it's actually just a type of LLM. And then there's AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. This is the sci-fi version, AI that can reason exactly like a human. We're not quite there yet, but it is coming. What made Susan's session so powerful is that she shared how to actually apply AI in small business operations. Not someday, but today. One example she shared was this.
Here's a time saver. I use Google Mail. People use all different kinds of mail out there, but you now have the ability to summarize all of your email, which I know takes up a ton of time, when you could be out running your business.
Other tools she swears by? Notebook LM. You can upload websites or client documents and generate mind maps, briefs, and insights. Gamma she uses to instantly create on-brand presentations just by entering a URL, and even AI answering services like RingCentral AI to provide 24/7 support to your customers.
If you have a fully trained AI 24 hours a day that can answer questions like you do, or like your very best inbound operator does, you then have the ability to service your clients in a really helpful and thoughtful and really effective way.
Now, the big question for many small business owners is, where do I start? And the thing I love is that Susan's answer is refreshingly simple.
The best and most effective way for you to do that, to not waste a lot of time and money, is for you to go old school by bringing everyone in your company together. And we're going to bring them all around the table. And we are going to analyze the workflow in your business, mapping all that out step by step in all of the different departments is going to be incredibly effective when you go to add AI into your workflow.
She even filmed a step-by-step video showing you how to do this, and it's linked below. From there, the key is simply to start small.
Don't try to do too many of these at one time. Do one or two, then get to 3 or 4, automate a few things, see how they work, continue to approve them.
Remember, it is not about perfection, it's about progress. And maybe the most important takeaway from Susan's session was this.
Nothing replaces human connection. And I think that in this next season and evolution of technology, that's going to become paramount.
If you want more of Susan's tips, and trust us, there are plenty, watch the full webinar below. And if you're testing the waters with AI, let us know in the comments. What's one area of your business where AI could save you time or money or both? We would love to hear from you, and I will see you in the next video.